Yo, Steve, I was doing the Human Nature, or thinking about that song. I was actually just playing it, and I wanted to do a little tutorial or whatever you call it. So you know how it's just the. So that right there is the F sharp minor 9 chord I was talking about. So I kind of alternate between G, A, D in the first inversion, and then G, A, F sharp minor 9. So the first voicings are very basic, just three notes each. You know, G is the G, D, B, and then A is the A, E, C sharp, and then that chord is just D in its first inversion, so F sharp and D and A. But I like to add the ninths to the first two chords, so that's like basically doing G, D, A, B, and then A, E, B, C sharp, so it's kind of a Donald Fagen thing there, make it sound more rich. And that's just like, that's just awesome, so. So you have... Sorry. So that's just the, so I'm doing the F sharp minor 9 there, just a little bit of a different voicing for She Likes the Way I Stare. And that's a E minor 9 with a E, F sharp, G, D. So it's kind of going like just basically minor 9 chords a step apart. So that's pretty cool. And then there's the... I kind of don't play the melody there, I just go, E minor 9, B minor 9, which is B, D, F sharp, C sharp. I guess I should throw the A in there, but for some reason I don't. And I've been messing around with the reharmonization of the instead of going, I start the bass note up on C, so it becomes this C major 9 chord essentially. So if you want me to explain that part, let me know. It's kind of complicated. I'm basically reharmonizing the melody like note per note, more or less. So, yeah, let me know what you think. Peace.